Okay, so number 12 says x minus x squared equals log base 5 of 1 over 25. All right, to make things a little easier, I'm going to recognize that log base 5 of 1 over 25 is the number negative 2, because 5 to the negative 2 gives me back 1 over 25, so negative 2 must be the value that represents that. So I'm going to say this. So if all this equals negative 2, then all I have is x minus x squared equals negative 2. Well, if I rewrite all this, I get negative x squared plus x plus 2 equals 0. Rewriting again, I would say x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0, just multiplying both by negative 1. Then we have a quadratic. All we got to do is factor, probably x and x, probably a 2 and a 1. Now let's see here, we need a negative 1, so that has to be negative, that's got to be positive. So that means that x plus 1 is 0, or x minus 2 is 0, so that means x has to be negative 1, or x has to be 2. Now in this case, when you go back and you check in, it turns out that both of them do work, because we're looking for a value of negative 2. So I plug a negative 1 in, I get negative 1 minus a negative 1 squared. That would give me negative 2. Or if I plugged in a 2, I'd get 2 minus 2 squared. That'd be 2 minus 4. That would also give me negative 2. So both of those actually work. So the answers are negative 1 and 2.